We fell in love with the property, the view, the peacefulness, and a house that we can turn into our own. We got here, and I came in through the front door, and Michael came in around the patio, and we both met out here, looked out at the view, looked at each other, and we just said yes. It just
felt right.
It felt right. We were really fortunate to find this property. The previous owner, a husband and wife, now long retired from Nice, they built this house almost 40 years ago. And while yes, it shows its age and its style and its decor, they built this really good quality build. Outside is really what this property boasts, right? We've got a large pool, we have many mature olive trees, we have some really tall fir trees at the front of the lot. You know, when you pull in, there's this discovery that happens when you kind of get here. We like to spend our mornings out here. I take my breakfast, you know, before I start my day. We chose the name Elizabeth after my mother, and she passed 7 years ago. And Michael never had a chance to meet her. The name doesn't fit the south of France, but the name fits what we love about this place.